In this video, learn how you can customize your own characters and illustrations using the website Peeps. But before we do that, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel where each week I'll be uploading new content on a variety of different topics. So thank you for your consideration, and now let's get to the video. The website is called openpeeps.com, and on this website, you can create your own illustrations or cartoon characters. It's really cool. You'll want to start by going to openpeeps.com and then selecting this option that says Use with Blush. From here, you'll see a number of different templates that you can access. You can choose whichever character that you want to customize. I'm going to choose the standing one. Now, all I have to do is go through and customize this character. We'll start by picking an outfit, then a hairstyle, then a face, and if I want, I can add other objects. Here's a beard, here's a pair of glasses, and now I'm just about set. Now with the free version, you don't have the option to customize the color of his shirt, the hair color, that kind of thing, but if this looks good, there is a way that you can save this character. Now you do have the option to download it, but what I like to do is just to select share and copy image URL. From here, you can go to this website and you can right click and save, and then you'll have a copy of this image that you can use. So now when I'm working on my PowerPoint, I can just copy and paste this custom character that I just created through openpeeps.com. So the website is called openpeeps.com. It's free for you to create your own cartoon illustrations. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them below.